Hello, robotics. This is Mrs. Ross. I'm so sad I'm not there to watch you guys put your robots together. And I kind of have to make some assumptions since I haven't seen, since now I will have been out for a week. So I have to make some assumptions about where you guys are. First things first, let's go here. I wanted to remind you of your robotics groups. Please sit with your groups. If you're having any trouble with your group, or if well, yeah, if you're not compatible with the person that I've put you with, please email me privately with the reason that you cannot work with your person, with the understanding that one of the things that this robotics group is supposed to teach you is how to work with several different people. However, if the person that you're with is not, um, well, if you're having trouble, let me know so that I can do something about it. Next, I want to make sure that everybody has signed on to this using their sign-in information and taken a look at the curriculum, downloaded the EV3 software. When I look at my side of the curriculum, there are, let's see, a few people that have not signed in. So I don't think Molly has had a chance to sign in, or Olivia. And then Davis and Sander have not signed in. So if the four of you could sign in, that would be super great. Then at least I know that you can access the both of the curriculums that I have assigned to you. Let me also remind you, well, you can look at the other video if you want to see how to do the robot, but let me go back to here. So once you've done this and downloaded the EV3 software, keeping in mind that this is the login information, and this is what you're supposed to be working on. So after you download the software on your laptop, you're supposed to build these in the following order. And frankly, it took me probably an hour to build this very first one. So if you haven't started it yet, you're probably not going to finish it today. And in the last video, it tells you how to get to the build instructions for this. My suggestion is, in your group of two, one person finds the parts and the other person puts it together, or vice versa, so that both people can be involved in the building of the robot. Once you finish building, well, I think that that's about as far as we're going to get. You're welcome to, what I'd like to see, sorry, I will finish the sentence here soon, I promise. So in your robotics, if you go to past lessons, you'll see here's the video that explains how to get to the robot build. Okay. And then what I would really like would be a progress update on your robot. Even if you just have to take a picture of like the parts that you have done, I'd like to see everybody's robots. So if you click on this progress update, it says, using your computer, please upload a picture of your robot. To take a picture, follow the directions in the video. I'm going to show you how to take a picture, and you only need to upload one picture per group. So if you're in these groups, only one of the two of you needs to upload a picture. But let me show you what uploading a picture looks like. So what I did was I went over here to this little area and I typed camera, and you can see that it comes up with all of this. So then I clicked open, and I'm sure hoping you can see me. Hello, everybody. Looking kind of ratchet. That's okay. You might have to, this is video and this is take a photo. So let me take a photo. Ha. Okay. And then my photo's down here. Okay. I don't know why my pinky, doesn't matter. Okay. Focus. All right. Got it. So let's see. What I did was I went ahead up here to open folder, and you'll see it's in your C drive. I tested it here. This is another picture of me. Lovely. But it's in your personal C drive. So you'll see your name and then OneDrive, pictures, and camera roll. And you should be able to access that. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this and close this. And I can't submit, but what you'll do when you go to submissions is you'll pick file. And when you go to your file, let's see, so it should be in right here. There's your that, and let's see, okay, where would photos, pictures? Haha, that's not it. Yes, it is right there, camera roll. So I picked pictures in camera roll. Camera roll. And there we are. Lovely. La ha ha. Okay. Oh, the photo is downloading. That's lovely. I don't know what that means. Okay. So I would kind of like to see a picture, if at all possible, if you get to building the robot, which I'm really hoping. I know you guys had some technical difficulties last week, but I'm hoping we're over those. And if you do finish the robot and all of the parts, meaning all of these parts, what you're doing is you're attaching sensors here. The cuboid is on its own, but if you finish attaching all the sensors and the cuboid, then you are welcome to go ahead and start your EV3 programming. I didn't see as anyone had started this. Let me see if I can close that. Okay, okay, can I just, no, can't, really? Okay, I don't know why that's there. But, and like I said, you're going to start here and you're going to go across. Okay, so you'll start here, here, and then here. And I think that's probably as far as you're going to get. So please let me know if you have any questions or if something's not working right. And I look forward to seeing your robots. Have a great day.